Hello and welcome to another TeachQuest video guide. I'm Professor Andrew, and in today's video we'll be going over the random encounter system. So what is the random encounter system? It's a once daily event that essentially adds, well, as the name suggests, some randomness, unpredictability, uncertainty to the classroom. So why does this exist? Well, for a couple of reasons. First, from a pedagogical perspective, it really helps students develop the ability to cope with different and changing situations. Adjusting things on the fly, develops their ability to adapt. And, we know from just life in general, that is a really good thing to have. So we definitely want to nurture that in the students themselves. We recommend doing a random encounter at the start of each day. As I said, this is a once daily event, and it just gets people into the game, motivated and excited. Anecdotally, one of the teachers on this team, Jeremy, uses this every day with his students, and it is kind of the highlight of the day for many a student. They really, really enjoy it. He's done an amazing job creating a ton of custom random encounters because he's so familiar with it, and it really kind of reflects the classroom environment that he's building. That being said, this is a video for people who are just starting to use TeachQuest, so you may be wondering, how do I get started? Well, I'm happy to report that as soon as you're into your account, your system is set up with 20 pre-built random encounters. So what I'll do now is just demo how to actually use the random encounter. So from your TeachQuest dashboard, you just click on random encounter. You'll get this little warning, essentially just letting you know that once you go forward, you can't go back. And that's because this is a once daily event. You just click begin adventure, get a little music, your scroll, and here we go. We have a nice surprise. The king has collected too much tax and has returned to some of its citizens. Result, everyone receives 100 gold each. You can see the stats change, plus 100 GP, and all the students in my class are listed here. Just hit continue, and everything is automatically applied in game. No need to do anything on your part. That is one of the pre-built ones, but if you want to kind of start tinkering with this, building your own random encounters to reflect kind of your own classroom, the things that you guys are working on, really simple. You just click into game data, right over here, random encounters. You can see all the ones that are pre-built within the system. And if you want to create your own, you just click add new, and you fill in all this information. And just like you saw on your own screen there, when you hit random encounter and this is pulled forward, all that will be presented to the students. I'm just going to click cancel there. And then over here, we just have the ability to disable them. So if there's ones that you don't want to use, you don't want to use the pre-built ones, or there's certain pre-built ones you don't like, easy to toggle them on and off. So that's it for using random encounters. Hopefully you enjoy those as much as our students do. As always, please check out our Discord. It's a great way to jump in, talk to other teachers, talk to the people building TeachQuest, share ideas, share how you're using the tool in your classroom. Really great community, great place to get some inspiration and share some inspiration. So hopefully see you in Discord, see you in TeachQuest. Until next time.